Dear children, today we will continue with the same chapter and topic is final cost. First, I need to introduce the new term, that is overheads. Sometimes the price of an object increases due to other expenses like transportation, shop rent, salaries, etc. These are called overheads and are added to the cost price only. Then the formula will become final cost equals CP plus overheads. Is it clear? If overheads will come, at that moment the new term will come, that is called final cost, and the formula for final cost is CP plus overheads. Then I will explain what are overheads. Did you go to shop, right? Did you see shopkeeper there? He has so many items for the sale. From where did he get all these things? He bought it from somewhere else, like wholesale shop, and he is getting all the things with a lower price only from there. Is it clear? And how can he take all these things from the wholesale shop to his shop only? By auto or minivan or something like that, right? Transportation cost is needed for that, right? That is shopkeeper's overhead. That cost is shopkeeper's overhead only. And sometimes the shopkeeper need to give electricity charges for his shop. That is also his overhead. And he needs to give salary to the salesperson. That is also his overhead. All these costs are overheads only. Whose? Shopkeepers. He needed to add all these overheads to what? Cost price of the objects. Is it clear? If the overheads will come, we need to find the final cost there. That final cost formula is CP plus overheads. Is it? Then I will explain with the problems. First, cost price is given in the question and overheads are given in the question, and we need to find what? Final cost. Final cost formula is what? CP plus overheads. Here overheads how much only? Rupees 80. And cost price is how much only? 645. And first I need to find final cost. Final cost is what? Rupees 645 plus rupees 80. I will get what? 645 plus 80. 5 and 2, 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 725. And final cost is what? Rupees 725. After that, I need to compare which and which? Final cost and selling price only. Not cost price and selling price. If the overheads will come, I need to compare which and which. Then only I know profit or loss. Final cost and SP. Is it? Here final cost is 725 and SP is 800. And which one is higher here? Selling price only higher. Selling price is 800 and this one is final cost is 725. That person gets profit or loss? Profit only. You know what's the reason? Here you need to write SP is greater than final cost. Final cost. So, profit. Is it clear? Okay. Then, the next problem is cost price is given in the question, that is 2100 and overheads 395. And final cost is how much only? CP plus overheads. CP is what? 2100 plus 395. You will get what? Rupees 2100 plus 395. You will get what? That is 2000 rupees 2495. Is it correct? Yeah. Then after that I need to compare which and which? Final cost and selling price. Here selling price is 2300, but final cost is what? 2495. Which one only greater? Which one only greater? Final cost only greater. So this person got profit or loss? Loss only. And here SP is less than final cost. Final cost. So loss. Is it clear? And the next problem, cost price is rupees 9127 and overheads 2061. And final cost is what? 9127 plus 2061. Answer is 11. 11,000 rupees 11,188. And selling price is what? Selling price is 10,050 only. That means which one only higher? Final cost only higher. And he got selling price less only that. Then this person got what? Loss. Here also SP is less than final cost. So loss. Is it clear? Then I will give you some homework, that is page textbook number page number 31, question number 3, B and D. Final cost is clear? Overheads are clear? Then overheads we need to add to which cost only? CP, that is cost price. Then we will get the new term, that is called final cost. After that we need to compare SP and final cost only. In the other case we need to find where we need to compare selling price and cost price only. Sometimes only overheads will come. If overheads will come, the final cost will come in the problem. After that we need to compare this and this. Is it clear? Yeah. Then we will go for the word problem, right? A collector buys a painting for rupees 3,500, but she sells it for rupees 2,750. Find the gain or loss. How? First we need to find what are the prices given in the question, right? Which are the prices given? And first we need to find a painting bought with how much rupees only? Cost price is given in the question, right? Cost price. Cost price is how much only? Rupees 3,500. Then selling price is what? Selling price. Selling price is rupees 2,750. And here we want to find gain or profit. Profit is known as gain. That profit or loss. Here we need to compare which and which, cost price and selling price only. You know what's the reason? There is no overheads. So we need to compare only this and this. Here which one is higher only? Cost price is higher only. Cost price is higher means loss or profit. That is loss only. Here we can write that also. Here cost price is Cost price is greater than SP. So what will come? Loss will come. So loss. Loss equals how much only? We need to find that amount also, right? Rupees 3,500 minus rupees 2,750. And you will get what? 3,500 minus 2,750 and this will become, we need to borrow 1 from here, and 5, again 4 is less than, so we need to borrow 1 from here, it will become, and 7, okay, and answer is what? Rupees 750. Answer is rupees 750. Is it clear? Then next problem. A second-hand furniture dealer buys a used table for rupees 3,250. He spends rupees 500 on polishing and repairing it. If he sells it at rupees 4,000, what is his profit? Here in the question, that is clear, that is profit only. So we don't want to find profit or loss, that is given in the question. But we want to find how much is the profit and which are the terms given in the question. Okay. Which are the terms given in the question? That is buys a used table for, that means cost price. Cost price is how much only? Cost price equals rupees 3,250, that is 3,250, and he spends some money for polishing and repairing, that is his overhead only, right? We need to add to which cost only? Overheads. We need to add to which cost? CP. Is it clear? And next step we need to write here overheads how much only? How much he spent for polishing and repairing? Rupees 500. 500. Okay. And after that, if overheads will come, one new term will come. That term is called what? Final cost. Final cost is what? Final cost is CP plus overheads. Overheads. How much is the rupees? Rupees 3,250 plus rupees 500. Answer is what? I can write. And rupees 3,750. Is it? Rupees 3,750 is the final cost. And profit is how much only? Selling price is what? Selling price. How much? Selling price is how much? Rupees 4,000. Okay. After that we need to find, that is profit. Profit is how much only? Profit equals, which minus which only profit will come? Here selling price minus final cost. SP minus final cost. What is this profit? Rupees 4,000 minus 3,750. Is it? How much is his profit? That is rupees 250. Is it correct? I will tell you one more time. He buys a second-hand furniture dealer buys a used table on rupees 3,250. That is cost price CP, CP equals 3250. After that overheads will come because for polishing and repairing, that is rupees 500, and after that final cost I need to find CP plus overheads. Answer is 3750. Then selling price is what? Rupees 4000. Then profit equals what? SP minus final cost. That is rupees 4000 minus 3750. Answer is what? Rupees 250. Rupees 250 is his profit. Okay. Then next one, a furniture mart buys an old sofa set for rupees 5380. They spent rupees 1840 to put new covers on it and sells it for rupees 8000. What is his profit or loss? What is it? Profit or loss? Here we don't know profit or loss. First we need to find what? We need to find, okay, which one only given in the question? If CP is given in the question, CP is what? Rupees 5380. He spent rupees 1840 to put new covers on it. That is his overheads. Overheads is how much only? Overheads rupees 1840. And after that the new term will come, that is called what? If overheads come, the new term, that is final cost, equals CP plus overheads. How much only? Rupees 5380 plus 1840. How much only we will get? 5380, 1840 at 0. Rupees 7220. Okay. They are asking for, they don't want to find how much is profit or how much is loss. We want to know what only? Profit or loss. And here selling price is what? SP is what? SP is how much only? Rupees 8000. Okay. SP is rupees 8000. I will write it here. SP equals rupees 8000. And here we need to compare which and which? Final cost and SP. Here SP or final cost, which one is higher? SP only. So we want to write here SP is greater than final cost. So profit. Profit. Okay, is it clear? Okay,